how to view photos on Yahoo Mail. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you view photos on your Yahoo Mail. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Yahoo Mail with your account. Alright, so after you open the mail, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to choose the conversation or choose the contact whom you want to view or extract photos on Yahoo Mail. So simply from here, you can view the photo that you have been sent or you have received on that. So simply I'm choosing this one from here. Alright, so as you can see, here is the picture that I have received from this mail. So simply from here, I will have to tap on this image. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully viewed photo on my Yahoo Mail. So in this way, you can also do it. And now to save this picture from here, you'll have to just tap on this save icon just at the top right corner. So simply from there, you can also save this Yahoo Mail photos on your gallery. So this is the process. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.